My friends, what is up? Wanted to get in here and do the quickest AMC technical update video that I've ever done for you. All you guys ever do is whine about how long the videos are. So we had the red day today that I predicted after the gravestone doji / shooting star candle that we got yesterday. So what I'm going to be looking for retracement wise still is coming down here. I would like to see the simple moving average, the 200-day simple moving average. I would like to see that show support tomorrow, which is pretty much going to meet up with the 0.5 fib. We did find support on the 382 fib, like I was hoping for, and I said on Twitter what I was hoping for is once we found support at the 382 fib, we would start making pretty much a rounded bottom shape. So basically something like that. So hopefully tomorrow, positive side or upside, if you will, we would start seeing, kind of that push back up to the upside. Full disclosure, what I don't like about this is I don't love the price action down here, okay? This all, we stopped, but this looks more like potentially shorts that were taking some profit for anybody that, maybe got into puts or shorted it up here. This looks like a pretty a pretty weak relief bounce right here. So I don't love it. All right. I would have liked to seen bulls really start stepping in back here at the 382. As far as I'm concerned, that's not what I'm seeing. So to me, I play most likely. The most likely thing is now, we might need to come down here to the 0.5. And once again, hopefully hit that 200-day simple moving average pretty much with the 0.5. And then that is going to be what springboards us up. So bullish case-wise, obviously we're going to start pushing back up. If we start pushing back up, then we want to start making, some higher highs. Then we'll probably come back here, retest the previous high, start to push back up from there. If SPY, so if you've been following me on Twitter, please do so if you haven't already. Colin_Gladman, easiest way to see what I'm thinking. This is what I'm tracking on SPY right now. It's been in this massive rising wedge, and if we look at it, then it's been pushing up. It doesn't look as good on my PC as it does on, let's go to the daily, see what that looks like. So we've been pushing up, from the bottom to this top right here. It's a big move. It's a 15% move for SPY, but the reality is if we get in here and look, we pushed up 15%, but what has the volume done? The volume's done this, okay? 15% move upwards and all done on decreasing volume. So I don't love that. Also, too, you can see if you understand how supply and demand works, great. If you don't, that's not for this video. But you can see we're getting up here and the price action is starting to look more bearish than it is bullish. So I know everybody's anticipating a really good report tomorrow for CPI. I felt like that was all I saw on Twitter. And I don't know that I buy that. I think a move back to SPY around 400 is more likely before, which would be the 0.618. Retracement of its most previous move is more likely than pushing upwards. Okay, so now AMC doesn't necessarily need, we've seen it, stay strong even without SPY. So like I said, bullish case scenario is we want to see a start, I want to see bulls really start to step in. If they're going to hold here, like I said, you want to start seeing some boom boom candles, right? You want to start seeing some good solid bullish candles, really taking us back up through here. We didn't quite, no, we did get the gap fill today, but let me double check here. Yep. Yeah, we got the gap fill. So we don't have any gaps really to worry about here. So if we can keep rounding out, like I said, if we start moving up, you want to see these big bullish candles. The bulls are in charge right now, but we want to see it. We want to see it stay that way. I felt like everything in the market was pretty choppy today because I think a lot of people were waiting on the CPI data that's coming out tomorrow morning. So push upwards. We want to see bulls in control. We want to start looking for higher highs. I think most likely, though, we're going to come down and we're going to test the 200-day simple moving average. If I go back to the daily, last thing, and then I'll let you go. But if we look at this from a daily standpoint, it has provided a whole lot of rejection points. Okay, and like I said, we blasted right through it. So coming down here and retesting it, I know a lot of different people have this, big bear trend drawn differently, and I fully accept that. I respect everybody else's opinion. As far as I'm concerned, we are above it. We pushed above it. Now we're coming back down here, hopefully to retest right here in this range at a 0.5 and a 200-day simple moving average. That's everything I got for you today, guys. At the end of the day, always trade your plan. Don't listen to just me. Don't listen to Twitter. Don't listen to your buddy who's in the play too. Trade your plan. Make the decision that is best for yourself, your family, and your portfolio. Do not diamond hand options. Those things can expire worthless. You can full port $10,000 into an option and you can be up $50,000 and the rug can get pulled and you can be left with $0 at the end of the day. So options are way more risky than buying shares. So do not use the tool of options. Options is a fantastic tool if you know how to use it. If you don't know how to use that tool of options, then don't use it. Then I agree. You just buy your shares. But at the end of the day, I don't care what it is. I just want you to trade your plan. I want you to be successful. I want you to make money. That's all I've got for you guys today. Please like and subscribe if helpful. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.